Are you making these 3 mistakes on social media? I'm Sam Ashdown and this is another episode of Whiteboard Wednesdays. I'm going to tell you the top 3 mistakes I see independent estate agents make with their social media. Are you making the same ones? Number 1, your profile picture. Is your profile picture of you? Not your car, not your office, not a for sale board, but you. People don't like to talk to anything but a person in the newsfeed. So if yours isn't you, then get it taken and get it uploaded to Facebook today. Number 2, are you posting properties? What I would say is about posting properties is they're just adverts. Now, if Tesco, for example, on their social media were going to do the same thing and post adverts for their products, all you'd see is adverts for bread, butter, milk, and that would be super boring. They've got millions and millions of followers because they engage people through storytelling and engaging videos. They don't try and sell their stuff. So if you're posting properties, A, you shouldn't be trying to attract buyers anyway, you should only be trying to attract sellers, and B, it's really boring for anybody who's not actually in the middle of buying and selling anything. So don't post your properties. The third P is post frequency. I would say that most agents post less than maybe 2 or 3 times a week. We try and post 2 or 3 times a day. And what I can tell you about post frequency is it massively improves your reach on Facebook. Facebook loves it when you show up every day 2 or 3 times a day. So make sure your post frequency is as high as possible. It's almost impossible to post too much on social media, but it's definitely not impossible to post too little. And what you'll see is nobody will be seeing your posts. So they're the top 3 mistakes that I see estate agents make on social media. If you'd like to make sure that you always see an episode of Whiteboard Wednesdays, make sure you subscribe to me on Facebook or on YouTube at Marketing Magic for Estate Agents. See you on the next video.